Chapter 8 Formulae and Functions in MS Excel 2010. Chapter Focus: Formulae, Copy Formula, Numeric Formula, Statical Functions, Operators in MS Excel, Operator Procedure, Printing a Worksheet, Entering Data. You have used different formulae in mathematics. In MS Excel, formulae are written differently. A formula in MS Excel starts with is equal to sign. It can be up to 8192 characters long. The data in a formula can consist of any of the following: value, string or numeric, cell address A1, B4, etc. Functions: sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. Operators: plus, minus, star, slash, greater than, lower than, etc. Parentheses. Formulae. You enclose a value in double quotes to create it in MS Excel. For example, Microsoft, the ampersand character is used to join text value to one another. For example, Microsoft and Excel. The result of this formula is Microsoft Excel. Do you know? The activity of connecting text values logically with a formula is termed as concatenation. Numeric formulae. In MS Excel, numeric formulae are used to perform calculations on the data. Numeric formulae use operators that are used to do some kind of calculations or comparisons. Operators in MS Excel. Operators in MS Excel specify the type of calculations to be performed on a given set of the data. We can use operators over different types of data like numeric, text, character. The operators in MS Excel are arithmetic, relations and logical. They make our work easier and faster. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to do calculations with numeric values. Strings are not used in arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators in MS Excel. Operator, function, example: plus, addition, 8 plus 10, minus, subtraction, 25 minus 20, star, multiplication, 15 into 5, slash, division, 32 upon 8, exponentiation, 6 raised to the power 2, percentage, 25%. Rational operators. Rational operators are used to compare two values. They form relational expressions. These operators always give output in the form of a single value, true or false. Relational operators in MS Excel. Operator, represent, example: equal to, B2 equals to A1, not equal to, C4 not equal to B4, greater than, C3 greater than 20, less than, B6 less than 100, greater than or equal to, D4 greater than or equal to C3, less than or equal to, A5 less than or equal to 6. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to compare between two or more relational expressions. These operators also give a single output, true or false. Do you know? The cell that contains formula is known as dependent cell. Logical operators in MS Excel. Not, and, or. Rules for writing formulae in MS Excel. 1. Every formula in MS Excel must begin with an equal to sign. 2. Arithmetic operators should be used for operating on numbers or data. 3. The data can be a cell address also. Examples of some logically valid data in MS Excel. 1. equal to 15 plus 15 multiplied by 8. 2 equal to D6 plus A7. 3 equal to 85 minus 15. 4 equal to 20 multiplied by 14. Error results. Some usual error results and their reasons are as follows. Hash 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 hash. The column is not wide enough to display the number. Hash div slash 0 exclamation. Division by 0 is an invalid operation. Hash value. An invalid operation has been applied in the formula. Hash n slash a. Data is not available. Operator precedence. The output of formula is calculated on the basis of order of precedence of mathematical operators. Order of precedence of operators. Examples. 1. Parentheses. 7 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 equals to 108. 2. Exponent. 5 raised to the power 2 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 27. 3. Multiplication, division. 5 into 2 minus 16 upon 2 is equal to 2. 4. Addition, subtraction. 25 plus 17 minus 38 equals to 4. Copying formula. This option is used for copying a formula from one cell to another. Follow the given steps to copy a formula. Step 1. Open a file having list. Write the formula in the first cell and press Enter key. Bring the mouse pointer on the corner of a cell containing formula. We see that the mouse pointer shape gets changed to a basic plus sign. This is called the fill handle. Step 2. Click and drag the fill handle using left button to the end of the list. A dotted line appears, which displays the selected area. Functions. Microsoft Excel contains many predefined or inbuilt formulas known as functions. Functions can be used to perform simple or complex calculations. The most common function in worksheet is sum function, which is used to add ranges of cells. Functions are designed to take you beyond the basic arithmetic and text formulas you have seen so far. They do this in the following ways. Functions make simple but cumbersome formulas easier to use. For example, suppose that you want to add a list of 100 numbers in a column starting at cell A1 and finishing at cell A100. It's unlikely that you have the time or patience to enter 100 separate additions in a cell. That is, the formula is equal to A1 plus A2 plus till plus A100. Luckily, there is an alternative, the sum function. With this function, you would simply enter is equal to sum A1 ratio A100. Functions enable you to include complex mathematical expressions in your worksheets. For example, determining a mortgage payment given the principal, interest, and term is a complicated matter at best, but you can do it with Excel's PMT function, just by entering a few arguments. Some commonly used functions. There are different categories in which Excel has grouped functions. Function, category, description, syntax, sum, math and trig, adds values, equals to sum, bracket on, number 1, comma, number 2, bracket off, average, statistical, averages a series of arguments, equals to average, bracket on, number 1, comma, number 2, bracket off, min, statistical, returns the smallest value in a series, equals to min, bracket on, number 1, comma, number 2, bracket off, max, statistical, returns the largest value in a series, equals to max, bracket on, number 1, comma, number 2, bracket off. Entering a function. You can use functions to do your Excel calculations very fast. These functions allow you to perform calculations without typing long and complex formulas. The steps to be followed are: Step 1. Click on the cell where you want to enter a function. Step 2. Click on Formulas tab. Step 3. Click on Insert Function button to enter a function. The Insert Function dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the down arrow button to display the categories of available functions. Step 5. Click on the category containing function you want to use. If you do not know which category contains the function, select All to display a list of all the functions. The area displays the functions in the category you selected. Step 6. Click on function you want to use. This area describes the function you selected. Step 7. Click on OK to continue. The function arguments dialog box appears. If the dialog box covers data you want to use in the calculation, you can move the dialog box to a new location. Step 8. Click on the cell that contains number to enter first number for the function. If the number you want to use does not appear in your worksheet, type the number. Step 9. Click on Next box to enter the next number. Step 10. Repeat steps 8 and 9 until you have entered all the numbers you want to use in calculation. Step 11. Click on OK to enter the function into your worksheet. Points to remember. Excel has the ability to calculate numerical information using formulas. A formula must begin with the equal to sign. Cell reference is a unique address of each cell. The cell that contains the formula is known as dependent cell. Range is a group of related cells in a worksheet. Relative referencing, absolute referencing, and mixed referencing are three types of cell referencing. Operators specify the type of calculation that you want to perform on the element of a formula. Microsoft Excel contains many predefined or inbuilt formulas known as functions.
A. Take the correct option.